To withdraw funds from Gate.io to your bank account, follow these steps. Log into your Gate.io account. Open the Gate.io website or app and log in with your credentials. Go to the Funds or Assets section. On the homepage, navigate to the Funds or Assets tab to view your balance. Click on Withdraw. Choose the withdrawal method. Gate.io supports several withdrawal options such as crypto withdrawals and fiat withdrawals. If you're withdrawing fiat money to your bank, select the fiat withdrawal option. Select your currency and amount. Choose the currency you wish to withdraw. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Ensure that your account has enough balance for both the withdrawal amount and any potential withdrawal fees. Enter bank account details. For bank withdrawals, you will need to enter your bank account details, including bank name, account number, SWIFT code, etc. If Gate.io supports it, you can also choose an instant payment system like SEPA or ACH. Double check your bank details for accuracy to avoid errors. Confirm withdrawal. Review the withdrawal details and confirm the request. Gate.io may ask you to complete a two-factor authentication step for added security. Wait for processing. The withdrawal will be processed, which may take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of business days, depending on your bank and the withdrawal method.